Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. Tina's Messy Crafty Life now. Because I kind of add messy in there. Because I'm always messy. What can I say? I just got to get used to saying Tina's Messy Crafty Life. But right now I'm Tina's Crafty Life. I have an entry to my 2K challenge / giveaway. It is from Jersey, the creative. And I did a friendship video before. And this is her entry. I wanted to keep them separate. So and she's got it in this cute little bag. I love these bags. I get mine at Walmart. I don't know where she gets hers, but I have some of these. I love them. She's got it marked, so I knew. So I haven't looked. So let's see. Oh, I like it. Look at guys. She's got her art. Like I said, I enjoy people's craftsmanship, their art, no matter what it looks like. I just love looking at. And I think the perfect size is an ATC card, an index card, a memory dex card. It's just a little piece of art that I have of yours. And I want to thank each and every one of you that do that for me. This is Jersey's. And she's got a book page, and she did some like mixed media on the back. She's got some stamps, and she's got a little Tim Holtz ballerina. She's got a border going around, and it says, "Time spent laughing is time spent with the gods." Japanese proverb. And let's turn it over. And she's got her name, the Jersey. Favorite color is a rainbow. That's many colors. And she is in New Jersey. She didn't put a birthday though. Jersey. So cool. She didn't put her birthday. How am I supposed to remember your birthday, girl? So we'll put her name down. And I laughed because she changed her name. And one person noticed until she mentioned it. And no, I didn't do mine because of that. I've been thinking of adding. I randomly say all the time I should be the messy crafter or the something like that. And the other day, yesterday, I said I should go Tina's Messy Crafty Life. And I just did it because I thought, oh, that fits. Because as you can see, I'm always messy. I always got ink on me. I always got paint on me. I always got something on me. My husband checks me before we leave the house. He'll be like, "You need to go wash your face." I'll have like a paint in my where I like must have pushed up my glasses. I'll have a paint thing going across my cheek. So he always like, "Let me check you head to toe before we leave," because I always got paint, ink on me somewhere. I've even found glitter on me, and I don't know how I get glitter on me because I don't use glitter that much, but I end up with glitter on me. I have no clue. No clue. Because Scott will be like, "You're sparkly." And I'm like, "Well, thank you." And he goes, "No, literally." And I'm like, "Oh." And I'll be like, "How did I get that on me?" And I don't know how. I don't know how I managed. But I managed to get something on me all the time. I ruined so many clothes that I now have certain shirts I wear into my craft room. I'm not allowed to enter my craft room in clothes good clothes, because I'm really bad at ruining them. So here's Jersey, the creative entry. Go like that. Put her in. Doom. And Andrea, if you're watching this, I saw your entry. It was in my informed delivery. Did not show up at my mailbox today. I did put in a thing to look for it. I have your name down. If I don't get it, you're entered regardless, just so you know. If I don't get it, Andrea, if you see this, please just email me your address so I can at least put it in the box. Yeah, it was there. I was supposed to get it. I seen it in my informed delivery. Nice picture from Andreas Robel. And I didn't get it. So I put in, so maybe it'll be here tomorrow. Why wasn't I got everything else that I was supposed to get mail-wise, but yours. I don't know why. That happened twice now. So, and if it continues, I hate to say something to my post office because I got a decent mailman who messes up once in a while. He'll find it. He found the last one for me. Jersey is my 21st entry. I'm so stoked because my goal was 20. And I know there's a few others coming in. So I'm moving my goal up to 25 now. Maybe 20, you know. I'm so happy, guys, that everybody's joining. I mean, when Hobby Lobby had their clearance special sale, I decided to take some money that I had and put for my big giveaway. And I added it up and I forgot. And if you went to Booth, it was over $100 with stuff. If it wasn't on clearance, I'll tell you that. So I think everybody, whoever wins this, they're gonna love it. I know they're going to because it's everything I love in it to do mixed media. Plus, I stuck some stuff in I haven't showed yet, and that's what the most exciting thing is to me. Because you're getting a little piece of me. You're getting some of my art that I made, and that's why I like these little cards, these little entries, because it's your art, your funness, your creative, if you do mixed media, shabby chic, vintage, whatever it may be, it's your piece of artmanship that I have in my box. And I'm going to do it on binder. I'm going to put them in a binder in the sleeves. And that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do with them. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, the giveaway, 2K challenge giveaway, is still open till June 5th. I will be picking the winner June 5th. If you happen to see this like the 30th or the 25th of May and you're like, oh my God, I don't know if I get it there on time, but I sent it. Just send me a picture in the email of like that you mailed the envelope. Like it's mailed, you know? And I'll take your word for it. And I will add you in there. Okay? Because sometimes mail be tricky. Look at Andrea's is supposed to be in my mailbox today. Seen it in my informed delivery. It's not there. So I didn't receive. So they'll track it down. But regardless, Andrea Strobel, I hope I say your last name right. You're going to be entered regardless because I've seen it in the informed delivery. This happened to Zena's. And then like 2 days later it showed up. So I don't know how the post office is working. My mailman, when I caught him, said he didn't have it in my mail. He looked through the mail bag, and then he swung by in a mail truck. You know how they have separated? It wasn't in there, so he thinks that it's at the post office. It just didn't get sent in his delivery today for some reason. Saying I'm supposed to get it, but it didn't go out with him. So, because he looked for me. My mailman's awesome, so I can't complain about my mailman. I complain about the postal service more than I will my mailman. Because he happened to be walking. I'm like, wait a minute, I was supposed to get a letter? And I showed him, and he's like, wait a second. So he went back. He said he didn't see that because it kind of stuck out. He said because of the writing in the corner that you wrote, he said that would have stuck out to him. So he checked in his bag, and then he checked in the truck, and he swung by, and he's like, it wasn't in the bin that all his mail goes in to be delivered. So he's thinking it's at the post office. So, but either way, if I don't get it, Andrea, please send me an email with your address in. I will kind of write it on an index card and stick it in the box. You are entered regardless because I know you sent it. So I'm going to let you guys go. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now, everybody, and have a wonderful day.